Hello MathMakers. Today I came with most important topic for engineering students and that is matrix. Let me introduce you what is matrix. First I'll go with definition. See, a matrix is a set of mn members arranged in an array for m horizontal rows, means m horizontal rows, and n vertical columns. See, you must know what are columns and what are rows. See, these are columns. Vertically representation is columns and these are rows. Horizontally representation rows. As in the definition, it is said about set of mn members. That means here in the matrix we have mth rows and nth columns, and here m into n represents order of the matrix, and this is called as m cross n. Representation of matrix is the element of aij of a matrix A equal to square brackets aij into m into n. As we said, m into n tells order of the matrix, and aij is, in aij I shows number of rows and j shows columns. Now we are discussing a diagonal of a matrix. The element aij of a matrix A is equal to aij m into n. If I is equal to j, they are called as diagonal elements. That means in example we can see here a11, that means I is equal to j. Again here a22, that means rows is equal to column number. So here these are called as diagonal elements, and the line along these diagonal elements are called principal diagonal of a matrix, and usually we call as diagonal of a matrix. Here this is 4 into 4, 4 cross 4 matrix, and row of a matrix. In a matrix it is having only single row. That means if we see it like this, only here we have single row, then it is called as row matrix. And column matrix, in a matrix it is having a single column. See, if we have only a single column in a matrix, then it is called as column matrix. And equal matrix, if we come, if two matrices have same order, two matrices should have same order. See here 3 into 3, and the elements at corresponding are identical. See, 1 1 2 2, and the corresponding places of elements are same and orders also same. So then these two matrices are called as equal matrices. Now we are discussing about types of matrix. And first, null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix in which all elements are zero. Here A is a matrix, all elements of A are zero. So this is called null matrix or zero matrix. And next, square matrix. A matrix A is equal to Aij m into n, where n is equal to m. See, I'll explain you. Here if we have a matrix with same number of rows and columns, then that is called square matrix. See here 3 into 3, 3 cross 3. Here having same 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns, and again here 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So these two are called square matrix. And now diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix, it has to be square matrix first, means orders is n is equal to m. That is called diagonal matrix if its non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements means, see here in the example, non-diagonal elements are 0. See, diagonal elements having some values, and non-diagonal elements is 0. Now scalar matrix, it has to be a diagonal matrix first, and then a scalar matrix if all diagonal elements are identical. See, all the diagonal elements are identical, 2, and here also 4, all are identical. So these two are called scalar matrix. Unit matrix, first it has to be scalar matrix and all the diagonal elements should be ones, then that is called unit matrix. Upper triangular matrix, if A is equal to Aij n into n is upper triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. Here in example we can see, as we said, A21, A31, A32, these are called Aij representation. No? Here I is greater than j. Here we have condition 2 1, 2 is greater than 1, 3 1, 3 is greater than 1, 3 2, 3 is greater than 2. So these all elements should be 0 to get a upper triangular matrix. Whatever the elements Aij is equal to 0 where I greater than j, then that is called upper triangular matrix. And lower triangular matrix, if Aij n cross n is lower triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I less than j. Here I is greater than j and here I is less than j. Here I less than j means we can see A12, A23, A13. Here 1 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3. These all elements must be 0 to get lower triangular matrix. So these conditions, if these conditions are applied, then that matrix is called as lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix.